barely made it to the bus. For some reason we thought the bus leaves at 10:30, but apparently it leaves on 10:15. And you have to remember, they're always on time. You come here on 10:16, they're gone. You'll miss the bus. We're going back to Prague.
Wir begrüßen Sie recht herzlich an Bord unseres IC-Busses von München nach Prag.
So we're going back to Prague
Gerne
via...
möchten wir Ihnen ein
You're probably wondering why we took the bus versus taking the train. Well, one, it's faster than the train for some reason, because I think it goes direct, but the train has some stops in between, so it's faster by bus. Now, the DB bus has very standard amenities, which is really good. So it has a plug where you can plug your gadgets, and it has Wi-Fi, but I just tried accessing the Wi-Fi, and it's a little bit slow. And also, you can see right here on top, doesn't have space, right? Because that's not where you store your backpack or small luggage. You actually store it here under your seat.
Now, one of the cool things in this bus is that if you need some snacks or some drinks, there's actually a self-service vending machine here. The way that to use the vending machine is that first you need to choose the product that you would like, so that would be here. So in my case, I'd like to have some mineral water, which costs 150 euros and is number 4. So let's pick number 4 right here. And then it says that it's €1.50, so that's good. €1.50. And there you go, folks. Water. So that's very easy. Very convenient too. Since it's around 4.5 hour trip, there's also a toilet right here. It's small, but it's usable. And this is also a double-decker bus, so there's some seats upstairs. And you can actually reserve your seats when booking the ticket. So we highly recommend that you reserve your seats, because otherwise you come here and it's a first come, first serve basis.